Hello traders, we are back to in our trading journey and we are here for Forex trading. After a long time, today is Thursday, 20th March 2025. There's a time 9 p.m. and this is Pakistani time here and we are going to check our groups and channels and our trading journey so we can calculate our last 2 years analysis and report with the winning ratio. Yeah, this is a BTC chart and here we go to XAUSD. That's gold on the chart. Yeah, that's a good strategy working here. So we can reset this now. Yeah, this that area we last yesterday we marked here, and this is a zone where no trades we find out, but we do some good trades here. I will show my original real account on Axness, and this is on running a profit table, and I will start my uh, monthly basic challenge on small account to grow on a big profit table. So that's account here, and we can start. That's my group, premium group. They're winning and some charts here. So we're running here, and I will start my channel here because that's live streaming can be run on the YouTube channel, and that's my XNS terminal. I will show my real profit and real strategy here. But firstly, we go to here, we go to here, chart analysis. So we start from month, decide now that market going to upward direction, going to upward. That's that's a last 2022 first September market here, November, and then go upward, so on upward. So we can go. Yeah, this is a place we can pull back again, but there's a lot of down movement need here. And we go to weekly chart, 1 week. Yes, yeah, there's almost running into upward direction. You can see that. You can see that this market going to upward continuously. So we can go to our 4H D. We go to into D chart. Yeah, almost. This is running upward direction. Yeah, you can see that. You can see that market running continuously upward direction. So there is no movement on downside. There's some here areas, but then tested these areas and go upward. So we can go to now 4H chart. Yes, almost this chart is going to a continuous. So we can see that our sentiments on this gold chart, their positions and lot size about short and buy means sell buy. So we can uh, see our results on analysis, and we can see our fundamental here. Now we can do our fundamental analysis here on Forex Factory. I will show my original account here. This is a real account, Xness, and it's running in profit. This is a, yeah, you can see that here. Yeah, this is I will show you in my next video, and this is, you can see that running in the profit. Okay, so we go to our chart and our Forex Factory. Yeah, you can see that today there is a news AUD, CAD, Canadian dollar 95, and so medium news. President Trump speaks, and last day was FOMC, but there is no change in our chart. This FOMC as 11:30, but there is no big movement here. Okay, so this is our video. You can enjoy this and do technical analysis and run your accounts on a profitable. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.